Hello everyone, welcome back. Sublistar has established a strategic partnership with DuPont Inc. company in the United States. We have achieved perfect compatibility between DuPont Artistri, DTF Inc. and our company's DTF equipment. This provides customers with a continuously stable DTF solution with extremely low maintenance requirements.
Let's start with the first key advantage, extremely low maintenance frequency. Thanks to DuPont's unique silicone-free formula, the inks deliver outstanding fluidity. When paired with Sublistar's specially developed high-stability printing films, the two work seamlessly together. Even under 24/7 full-capacity production, you get uninterrupted roll-to-roll printing with no ink starvation, no clogging, and no downtime. There's no need for frequent manual cleaning, maintenance is nearly zero. For factories, this means not only higher productivity but also lower labor costs. The second key value lies in high color strength and precise reproduction. DuPont inks were developed with a dedicated ICC color management system. When combined with Sublistar's high-precision printheads, they achieve exceptional color accuracy. Compared with Pantone swatches, the color accuracy reaches up to 98%, delivering vibrant, delicate, and stable results. Every detail in the print is faithfully reproduced. The third unique advantage comes from safety and environmental responsibility. DuPont Artistri DTF inks are glycol-free, HAPS-free, and certified by multiple international textile safety standards, making them safe even for baby apparel production. For businesses, this is not only a mark of quality, but also a passport to high-standard global markets. More importantly, this is not just an ink, it's a complete compatibility solution, jointly developed by DuPont and Sublistar. The inks and machines are finely tuned together, ensuring a perfect balance of high efficiency and premium output. What you're getting is not just a printer or a set of inks, but a comprehensive, sustainable, and high-value solution. To summarize, ultra-low maintenance for true 24/7 uninterrupted production, 98% color accuracy to satisfy the most demanding clients, safe and eco-friendly, suitable even for infant wear. DuPont and Sublistar's collaboration delivers industry-leading performance and stability. If you're also looking for a solution that can meet production capacity while ensuring quality and safety in DTF, then the combination of DuPont Artist Inc. and Sublistar equipment is undoubtedly your best choice.